kids! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw and color something super cool, a laptop and a mobile phone.
Yay!
Are you ready? Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Let's grab our black marker and get started. First, let's draw a big rectangle. This will be the laptop screen. Now draw a smaller rectangle inside it. That's the screen display. Let's draw another rectangle at the bottom for the keyboard area. Now it's time to draw the keys, lots of tiny squares and rows.
La da 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 dee.
Awesome! Let's draw a little YouTube icon in the middle of the screen. A play button inside a rectangle. Now on the side, draw another tall rectangle. This is our mobile phone. Inside that, draw a smaller rectangle on the top. That's the screen. Next, let's draw the keypad. Add little buttons and rows.
La da 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 dee.
Let's write numbers on them. 1, 2, 3. All the way to 9, then 0, asterisk, and hashtag. Great job! Our drawing is complete. Now let's make the outline bold and sharp to make the artwork pop. Looking awesome, isn't it?
Ha-ha!
It's time to color.
Yay!
Let's bring out our rainbow color pens. As you color each section, say the color name aloud. Red color.
Wow! La 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 la.
Orange color.
La 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 la. Beep 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 beep.
Yellow color.
La 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 la. La 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 la.
Green color.
La 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 la. La la la
Blue
la
color.
la la la.
Purple color. color.
La da 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 dee.
La 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 la. Beep 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 beep. La 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 la. La 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 la.
Yay! We did it! You all did such a fantastic job drawing and coloring a laptop and a mobile phone. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun drawing videos every week. Bye-bye, kids! See you next time on Toddlers Art Hub.
Yay!
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.